morning, guys. I'm filming this clip at like noon after I did my makeup because I was just checking the footage and I realized that I didn't film anything before I cleaned my room and went to the gym, like actually talking to you guys. So, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. I brainstormed a list of things that I want to do today and I'm gonna get started on those. Let's get it done. Cheers. My room is just an absolute wreck right now, so I really need to clean this. I'm gonna do that, probably time lapse it, because that'll look pretty cool. So I finally finished cleaning my room. Everything's all organized, at least in comparison to how it was. So I'm super happy about that. And I think I'm gonna head to the gym soon. I still do need to get rid of some stuff that's in there, but that's gonna come later on. So I'm about to head to the gym, but I thought, why not start a load of laundry so that when I get home, I can unload those. I just got out of the shower after the gym, and in about 3 seconds I'm gonna look a whole lot better. I thought I'd catch up with the vlog now. I just attempted to film a quick and easy makeup video, but I don't really know how well it worked, so I don't know if I'm ever gonna upload it, but I kind of made a mess over here. But it's okay, because I wanted to film in front of the Christmas tree. So yeah, in a few hours, I think I'm gonna hang out with my friend Melissa and take some photos for a local boutique called Scout and Molly's. So I'm super excited about that. But until then, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. So I might just hang out for a little while because I've been pretty productive this morning. Say hello to my vlog.
Say hello to my little friend, Lance West.
So, I'm about to leave the house right now to go meet up with Melissa. I changed into a romper. I'm just wearing this until we get to Scout and Molly's, and then I'm gonna change into their clothes. I'm super excited to take photos and stuff like that. It should be really fun. Do you want me to wait?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, so I'm here with Melissa now, and we're about to go shoot some photos. She curled my hair, and I really, really like it. I think it looks super cute.
Came out better on her than it did on me, but whatever.
You're joking. I love it. It's so pretty.
Thank you.
So, yeah. I don't even know what to say right now, but we're going to go and take some pictures. Probably good.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Perfect. We got the best photos of the night right in front of the dumpster.
Perfect.
We'll have to tell her this. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Now we are shooting some dresses for Scout and Molly's.
Yes, ma'am.
Walking around downtown. We're running out of light though, so I kind of gotta go. Bye. I got home from my photo shoot with Melissa, and my mom, my sister, and I are going to go to Chipotle and get some dinner. And then I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do after that, but probably watch like a movie or a TV show. Alex said sleep, and she's gone. I didn't realize this earlier, but my Happy hoodie from Joey Kidney actually came in today. So I'm actually going to wear that and be super comfortable and take off my makeup. So I'll catch you guys after dinner. We got home from eating dinner at Chipotle, and I'm making some cookies right now and preheating the oven. And I'll talk to you guys when they're out.